Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for detailed, no-nonsense reviews of the best products out there. Today, we're diving into what I can confidently call the best pool pump cover for outside units. The RunNico 1-Pack Pool Pump Cover. If you own a pool or a well pump setup, you know how crucial it is to protect your investment from the elements. Rain, dust, sun, and UV rays can wear down your equipment, shortening its lifespan and affecting performance. That's where this RunNico pool pump cover comes in. Designed specifically for above-ground protection, it's made to extend the life of your pool or well pump, season after season. Now let's start with the material. This cover is made from high-quality ABS plastic, which gives it an edge in durability. ABS is known for being impact-resistant and weather-tough, and that makes it ideal for both summer heat and winter frost. The dimensions come in at 13.5 inches long and 8 inches wide. A compact but efficient size that fits a broad range of pumps. That makes it highly compatible with most centrifugal and jet pumps commonly used in residential pools and wells. One of the best things about this product is its adjustable design. This isn't a one-size-fits-all situation. It's built to be customized. The package includes a handy cutout template so you can shape the discharge line to suit your specific pump. Whether your plumbing configuration is standard or a bit more unique, the RunNico cover accommodates it with minimal hassle. It's a smart touch that adds real value, especially for DIYers. Speaking of DIY, installation is a breeze. The RunNico pump cover includes detailed instructions. Clear, step-by-step guidance. You don't need to be mechanically inclined to get this set up. A screwdriver and a few minutes are all you'll need to have your pump protected and ready to face the outdoors. Ventilation is another important aspect, and this cover gets it right. It's not just a sealed box. It allows for free air circulation, which is critical for the motor's performance and lifespan. You don't want your motor overheating just because it's protected from rain. This design keeps the balance. Safe from water and UV, but still breathing. Now let's talk about the finish. This specific model comes in a striking blue color. It adds a subtle pop to your backyard setup without looking out of place. It's not just about function here. It looks good too. And of course, RunNico backs this up with solid customer support. They promise 24-hour response times if you ever run into product or order issues. And if you're not satisfied, the company offers a no-questions-asked refund policy. That's a level of assurance that tells me they believe in the quality of their product. So who is this for? If you have an above-ground pool pump or well pump, and you live in an area with extreme weather. Whether that's blazing sun, heavy rain, or seasonal snow, the RunNico pump cover is a must-have. It's an affordable upgrade that helps prevent expensive breakdowns and replacements down the line. To sum it all up, the RunNico 1-Pack Pool Pump Cover is tough, customizable, easy to install, and designed with long-term performance in mind. It's a smart investment for any pool owner looking to protect their equipment and their wallet. If you're interested in picking one up, check the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more product reviews that tell it like it is. This is Product Critique. See you in the next one.